Welcome to my channel ZTech. In this video I am going to show how you can remove watermark in from photos using Photoshop. So firstly open Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Photoshop. Simply click on open and open the pic that you from where you have to remove watermark. The pic is open on our screen. Simply go on a sidebar where there are many options and simply click laser text and start circling or start cropping the watermark. You can see I am doing slowly so that only the region where it is watermark should be selected. Then after that you have to simply go and content area clearing. Then you have to select options and here so you can select all, deselect, and there it is. We have removed the watermark from our pic. Now I can do on one more pic for your better understanding. Simply go to on a sidebar, press Z, or for scroll zoom in. Simply go to sidebar on a laser ring, start cropping the watermark. You have to crop only the watermark. Then simply go on edit, then go to fill and here content aware, press OK, select and deselect the option. Go to select on a tab bar and deselect the option. Now take the brush and do the relative color on the thing where you can see little spots. This is how you can remove watermark from your pics, HD 4K pics, using Adobe Photoshop. If you find any problem, comment below. I will try to solve it. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.